Good day, everyone. My name is Ben Mosinger, and I'm League Solutions Architect with Syntara. And today I want to talk about our customer portal solution on SAP Workzone. SAP Workzone is a great way to create capability, add-on capability for S/4HANA Cloud, SAP Business by Design, etc., to serve your clients better. And that is really what we try to do with the SAP Workzone portal option that you're going to see within a few minutes. It is a massive simplification of interactions with customers, and you will see that throughout the demo that a lot of processes that used to be manual, that used to require a lot of back and forth via email, are now simplified. And with this, I want to jump into the portal solution and show you what I'm talking about. The solution that you can see on the screen is an SAP Workzone portal. It is a customer portal that you can use to create orders via a shopping cart, but also to retrieve order data from the backend system, which could be SAP Business One, which could be SAP Business by Design or S/4HANA Cloud. And the first capability that we're going to have a look at is the shopping cart. Now, the shopping cart function is a checkout option of an order in a guided and simple way. And that is really important for the end user, the customer that tries to check out an order with a few clicks. We also included a catalog function. So those are product categories that come directly from the backend system, from the ERP. And ultimately, what we wanted to do with this portal option, and specifically with the shopping cart capability, is to create a low-touch process that will take work off the sales team in-house and get away from emails that are being sent back and forth, from phone calls that may have to happen to place certain orders. So a massive simplification of the order processing. Now let's jump into the shopping cart. And in the shopping cart, you can see that there's a landing page. The landing page will allow you to display promoted items, for instance, different promo campaigns that you have running. You can also see promoted items here. Promoted items could be products that could be moved into the shopping cart. And you can also see recently viewed items, similar to what you would expect from an e-commerce platform. Now, on the left-hand side, you can see different product categories. Underneath all of these product categories, you will have products that come directly from the backend system. And what we're going to do is we're going to jump into one of these product categories to illustrate what is underneath. You can see there are different products here. You can see product description, a little bit of information about the product. You can see whether the product is in stock. And this is information that comes directly from the backend system in real time. You can see pricing information. We can see a picture of the product. And what we're going to do now is move this product into the shopping cart, as well as this product here. And then we want to jump into the shopping cart to make sure that we have everything that we wanted to order. So as a customer, I may want to play around with what I have in a shopping cart here, save some of these products for later and only check out this product here. Or I may want to make some changes here, things that we may want to adjust, like kicking something out of the shopping cart and adding something into the shopping cart again. After everything is okay, we save the changes and we proceed to the checkout. Now you can see the item that we want to purchase. You can see the invoice address. And what we want to do here is use the same address for shipment as for the invoicing. So let's add country here, for instance. All of this information could come from a customer master data set if we wanted that. You can see an order summary. Everything seems to be okay. And if we're happy with the order, we're going to click on submit. and this will create the order directly in the backend. Via API, we will have the order in the system. Now, what we're going to do is either return to the shop here to place more orders, or we want to go back to the portal landing page. Now, the next capability I want to show you is the order tracking capability. And the order tracking capability lets you find your order within seconds. And it also lets you track the parcel information of a UPS shipment directly in the system. So you can jump from the order directly into the UPS investigation site. Now let's jump into the order app, and this will bring up a new user interface. And here we're going to post in the order number. We hit go. So this will pull out the order information, and now we can see the order that was created via the shopping cart in the backend system and brought back to us with the tracking number. So this is the parcel tracking number from S/4HANA Cloud. And what we want to do now is jump into the order. And here I'm going to point out a few more capabilities. One, you can see the shipment status, you can see the billing status, and you can also see the parcel number, as I mentioned. And what you can do here with a few clicks, actually with one click only to be precise, you can jump into the UPS tracking data, and it's going to pull up UPS data relating to this parcel number so that we can investigate the shipping status of one of our orders. Now let's jump back to the landing page and recap real quick. So we've seen how you can find an order within seconds if you have the right information. You can look up billing and shipment status, and you can also track the shipping status on UPS via parcel number if the parcel number is available in the backend system. And what I believe is also great potential for the future is to possibly include processes like the simplification of the payment process, or the disputing of invoices and payments, or the pulling up of invoice and inventory data. Here, there's a lot of potential for future capabilities. And overall, I would say a very great solution, a great alternative for an e-commerce solution that really helps you simplify the overall process.